Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Outdoor Indoor Texan. Today I'm going to show you how to make jalapeno butter. This one is a super tasty and very easy recipe to make. It's a great use for those jalapenos popping up in your garden or grocery store. First up, you can't make jalapeno butter without jalapenos. I'm using a few wonky looking peppers that came out from my garden, but one large normal jalapeno will work fine as well. Either way, make sure to cut the tops off, and if you're looking for a milder spice level, you're welcome to also take the seeds and veins out. I'm keeping mine in though. Now toss your peppers into a food processor, or if you don't have one, get very good at knife skills and get to chopping. After chopping the peppers, add about 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. I'm using pre-minced garlic, but if you're using whole cloves, just give it another run in the processor until everything's thoroughly mixed. Finally, add a stick of room temperature salted butter. I left this stick out overnight so it would be easier to mix, but if you're in a hurry, you can always try and soften it down in the microwave. After a few cycles in the food processor, and maybe some handwork with a silicone spatula, the peppers and garlic should be pretty well mixed into the butter. Before moving on, always make sure to taste the butter and tweak the recipe to suit your palate. Sometimes that salted butter isn't quite salty enough, or the jalapenos aren't quite hot enough and you need an extra pepper or two. How you finish it is completely up to you. Once you're happy with the finished taste, lay out a sheet of plastic wrap and spoon out the butter mixture onto the center in a long rectangular shape. Then roll the plastic wrap up and around the butter mixture as if you were rolling up a big, tight cigar. Yeah. Once you have it rolled up, grab both loose ends and give everything a good spin until it's tightly formed into a tube shape. Finally, toss that tube into your freezer and let it sit there for about 30 minutes until it hardens. Once it's firmed up in the freezer, take off the plastic wrap and you're pretty much ready to go. This butter will keep in the fridge for as long as regular butter does, and it also freezes really well for long-term storage. Jalapeno butter is great on just about anything you like adding butter to. For me, it adds a great little snap of jalapeno to my morning breakfast routine. Let me know in the comments below how y'all use yours. That'll do it for this recipe, and thank y'all so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more great content to come. Alright y'all, take care.